Imagine a tool to where you write the requirements of your application, and it turns them into a functional prototype in a few minutes. Sounds like magic? Perhaps, but it's just science. All you need is your idea. For today, let's imagine that we need a website where we want to manage articles, which are added to categories. Further, we want to manage standalone pages that are composed of blocks, specifically an FAQ accordion, a list of partners, a hero section, and basic rich text content. For the contact page, we have various departments in our company, and we want to display contacts from them on the web. With this, we would have an idea of our new content management application for our new website. In Contember Studio, we could enter this requirement in human terms, perhaps like this. I want a website that allows me to manage and categorize articles, where each page is structured with individual content blocks and has customizable OG metadata. On the contact page, I wish to manage different department categories and add individual business cards to each. Please add special content blocks including a list of partners, a hero section, and a FAQ accordion. So, let's allow our AI assistant Ember to prepare the basic concept of our entire application. It will compile a list of what it can and cannot help us with. At the same time, it will select the main category of the type of application we are actually dealing with to better return results. The resulting application is built on the Contember framework, and its strength lies in its powerful ACL. In our case, we will now suffice with a single admin role and proceed to select the content blocks. Our AI assistant Ember suggests us a quick action to create the blocks we mentioned at the beginning of our requirement. We will gradually have them expanded into a more detailed description, which we always have the option to finally adjust. We can proceed to the next phase, generating the model of the entire application. AI Assistant Ember takes all the requirements we have listed in our specification and prepares a data model. Contember Studio is a tool in which our AI assistant helps us prepare all entities and relationships, but at the same time, it is a tool where we can adjust everything according to our own needs. If the assistant does not offer a specific property for an entity, we can simply add it ourselves. The last step to our application is its deployment to Contember Cloud, an online environment where we take care of operating client applications. In our cloud administration, we can see statistics, update some settings, generate a deploy token for developers, and for us now, the main action is logging into the application as an administrator. And here it is. Our freshly generated application is fully functional in an online environment, and we can fill it with the first data. I will add the first category and the first contact within it. I will continue by creating categories for articles and creating a sample article. And finally, as the last demonstration, I will create a page using pre-prepared blocks that I can freely insert and modify in the pages. Everything is working and ready. We can start filling the content. For a technical audience, we will now take a peek into the code that we are newly preparing for visualizing the website using the Next.js framework. In the source code, the connection to the development version of the application is prepared, as well as pre-prepared GraphQL queries for basic content entities. For local development, we will start everything with one command using Docker, and we can start pulling the application towards the final version. Thank you for watching this demonstration of what Contember Studio and Contember Cloud are. As always, we appreciate any feedback and can't wait to see what you build.